Okay, here we are back again. Now, we've got our basic layout for this concrete structure, this column. And this is the basic layout. Let's say we need to go ahead and dimension all of this now. In AutoCAD, there are different dimensioning functions. So let's begin on the smallest and most detailed part here. Let's begin on this round here. So what I'm going to do, the round is actually a radius. If I go over to this dimension toolbar, I can see this command here that says radius dimension. I pick that radius and I can drag it out here in space. Now, here's the other thing that we need to consider is that would be too small. If I printed this out on this piece of paper, on an ANSI A piece, it would be too small to see, as you can tell here. So what I want to do is I want to go, there's another command here, it's called dimension, edit dimension, or dimension override, the style manager. Let's modify it, and let's make our primary units, instead of decimal, let's make them architectural too. See, it changed everything to inches in the preview here. Again, our precision is 1/16 of an inch. And we're going to use this measurement scale here when we go to scale the drawing. But for right now, we're drawing everything in full scale. So hit OK, hit close. And see, it changed my dimension here. Now another thing here is that still doesn't look right to me. So let's go back into that command just by simply right-clicking the mouse current. It brings me back into this function. Let's hit modify again. Now you're going to notice the fit, and you're also going to notice the texts. We did primary units. There's tolerances and alternate units too. Let's go into lines and arrows. Now, let's change our offsets here. Baseline spacing is 3/8 of an inch, but that's too small for our drawing. So let's change that to, well, 7/16, half. Let's change it to a full inch. Right there, full inch. And let's do that the same for the extension beyond the dimension line, full inch. Right there. Now, our arrow size should be an offset from origin. Let's change that to a full inch as well. Okay, there we go. Now the arrowhead, let's make that arrowhead size, you'll notice that here, let's make that bigger too. Right now it's 3/16 of an inch. So let's make that 1.5 inches. Right there. Let's try that and see how we look. Oh, we forgot something. Let's right click again. Let's go to modify. Let's go to text. Now the text is only 3/16 of an inch. Let's boost that up to 1.5 inches. I want to make sure it's good and legible. We want to be able to make sure that the mold shop, once we build one of these, can actually see that. And there's a few other things. Let's modify the spacing away from the text there. Oh, spacing from text. Where are you? We may as well increase the center mark up to 30 seconds, which is a full inch. Well, an inch, it won't do a full inch. Okay, now let's go to, what was it again, a text, offset from the dimension line, right here. Let's bring that up to 1 inch as well. Whoop, or 1.30 inches, okay. So let's see how that looks. Close. See, that looks a little better now. So we're doing good here. Add some basic dimensioning style, and there's a radius for our fillet.